Construction cars. Friends are cheerfully playing at the playground. They are building a sandcastle. Looks great, also because they have useful helpers. Shovel, bucket, rake, and water.
Tim, you can't build anything with dry sand. You have to use a wet one. The tower will be strong, like this.
Look, the tower is so high. Oops, sorry.
Alice, you're so clumsy. We have put so much effort.
The construction was in the process. But then...
Whoa! Look, what's that? Whoa!
What kind of cars are those?
Those are construction cars.
And you need all of them to build something.
This one is an excavator. It can dig deep holes, just like my shovel.
Just like my shovel.
And this is a cement mixer. It mixes cement to glue bricks together. Crane helps to lift something heavy really high. And this is a truck. It brings all the necessary materials at the construction site. You can put a lot in it, just like in my pocket.
Very interesting.
Shovels and buckets are not enough at a real construction site. Here you need construction cars. Each of them has its own purpose.
Hey, if you enjoyed this episode, go watch the others. Just press one of those buttons.
Come on, what are you waiting for?
We'll stay here until you press. Misbehavior. It's a lovely summer day. Sheep Mary and her parents are coming back home after shopping. Mary got a new dress.
This dress fits you so well, Mary. Thank you, Mom and Dad. I'm going outside like this.
No, dear. You get dirty.
Nope, nothing will happen. See ya.
Meanwhile, friends were playing football. They like this game so much. Mary likes it as well.
Hey!
Hey!
Yes. But my dress... no worries. I'll be careful.
I need to keep up to the work.
Great! Mary is very enthusiastic about the game. She hasn't even noticed that the dress got dirty.
You are a great goalkeeper.
Hedgehog Matt has a plan how to score a point. He's running to the woodwork, expertly passing round team, and... goal!
Come on, you've only missed one. Why are you crying?
But my dress...
Mary doesn't want to go home. How would she show her dress to her parents? But there is nothing to do.
What happened, Mary? My new dress is dirty now.
I told you you can win, but it's so dirty outside.
You have to listen to your parents, dear. Mom, Dad, I'm so sorry. I will never do it again.
Okay, Mary, don't cry. I'll wash your dress.
Thank you, Mom. Now I will always listen what you say.
In the morning, there was a clean dress by the Sonia's bed. All the stains went away and it was like a new one. But the most important is that Mary realized she has to listen to her parents. They won't give you a bad advice. Hey, if you enjoyed this episode, go watch the others. Just press one of those buttons.
Come on, what are you waiting for? We'll stay here until you press.
Today is a wonderful day for Tim. He's going to his father's work. Tim's father works at the garage. He fixes cars.
Tim, we have to hurry up. If we will be late, you won't see how they open up the gate.
I'm running. Ready.
Tim, I think you've forgotten something.
Oh, Dad, that's true. I forgot to put my shoes on.
Are you ready, son?
Yes, Dad.
Okay, let's go. Now look, gates are opening.
Wow, how does it work, Dad?
It's simple. Gears are spinning and the door goes up.
Amazing. And what's that?
It's a spanner. I have many. I use them to screw and unscrew all sorts of screws. Look.
Why are you taking off the wheel?
Because it's broken. We have to change it. It's ready. Now we only have to wash the car.
Hooray! May I help you?
Sure.
Dad, what's next?
Now we have to feed the car.
Feed the car?
It means we have to fuel it. Now you can get inside.
It's so amazing.
Today, Tim has learned many interesting and amazing things. Dad also was glad to spend the day together with his son.
Hey, if you enjoyed this episode, go watch the others. Just press one of those buttons.
Come on, what are you waiting for?
We'll stay here until you press.